Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video from the stable of Wendy Styles. So we have been trying to walk you guys through different shorter styles, both for matured ladies and younger ladies. All right, this is another beautiful one from this guy called Diego. He is very good at these haircuts, and that is why we keep bringing more of it from his stable. Now look at this pretty lady, and if you know how she was before now and now she's looking right now, you can tell that she's really happy with with the style, the design, and she's so excited and very comfortable with the design. She likes it. Now before now she wasn't looking this younger. Right now she's looking 10 years younger than her real age, and that's what short hair generally does to black women, white ladies, and what have you. Look at this. This is the finishing touch, and she is rocking it with a blazer suit. Yes, short hair is the bomb. Here is another one, very funky looking pixie cut or tapered pixie cut, and this is beautiful. The designs is just so sassy, and look at that love carved out of the hair. It's incredible. She looks absolutely stunning. So this is you can see short hairstyles is a movement that started by the blacks, and now the whites are also embracing it. Look at I'm waiting to see the final result. Okay, let's go. It's got a way of doing it in an like a surgeon, operating on the hair and using different antics, different strategies. Voila, look at the result, and look at her face. She is so comfortable, so happy, so happy with the style. This is exactly what we're talking about. All right, it's gonna blow your mind when you go low. All right, so we want a lot of ladies to go low. We want you to take that serious step of a big job. All right, give it a try, and this is how she was before. Give it a try, you're not gonna regret. Let's see what this lady, the final result of her own looks like. Let's see. You see how strategic he is with his style, with the way he cuts the hair. He's good at it. You can tell when someone is 100 over 100. He's good at it. Look at that. Look at that. And boom. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's many years taken off there, right there like that. She looks absolutely pretty. She can tell. Look at that. Wow. You go, girl. All right. Now that your hair is looking this way, you're gonna dress this way, you're gonna feel this way. You feel younger. I see. Yeah, I see. Anyways, guys, let me allow you guys to sample the rest of the styles. See you in our next upload. Ciao.